Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change order status for virtual product to onhold for all payment gateway using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. So this is our product, virtual product. Now go to edit product. So this is our digital product and we enable virtual option. Now back to checkout page, and then you see we have payment gateway, and then we select cash on delivery. Now enable this option and then click on place order. Now order received done. Go to order section and refresh the page. So we are in WooCommerce dashboard, and then you see new order status is processing for cash on delivery. So we are going to change order status to on hold for all payment gateway in checkout page for virtual product order. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title, and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to get virtual order or product, and then if found true, then we are going to change order status to on hold. Scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. So this code will work for all payment gateway we have in checkout page. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page. So click on shop page, and we are going to place order again for virtual product. So click on add to cart. So we are in cart page, and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page. So this is our virtual product. We select cash on delivery. Enable this option. If you select any payment gateway like direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, credit card, PayPal, then order status will be on hold for all payment gateway we have in checkout page. So click on place order. Now order received done. Go to order section and refresh the page. So this is our new order. Now you see 11 seconds ago, and then you see order status on hold. We select cash on delivery, and we set all order status for all payment gateway for virtual product on hold by using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.